Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you really easy to make crochet idea with leftover yarn. You can see I have a bunch of these leftover yarns which are really small, and I will share with you a very easy idea of making a mini bow which you can use in different crochet hair accessories, hairpins, and you can use them on crochet baby dresses as well. So let's get started. So I am using two strands of yarn together for this project, and I am using a 3 mm crochet hook. So wrap the yarn around fingers like this. Then with the help of crochet hook, pull the second yarn through first one to make a magic ring. And now we would start working. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, 5. After making 5 chains, wrap the yarn around your fingers, around crochet hook 3 times. Then go into the magic ring, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 loops, pull the yarn through 2 loops, pull the yarn through 2 loops again, and then pull the yarn through last 2 loops. Wrap the yarn 3 times around crochet hook, go into this magic ring, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 loops, pull the yarn through 2 loops again, pull the yarn through other 2 loops, and then through last 2 loops. This is called double treble crochet stitch, in which you pull the yarn through 2 loops 4 times. So wrap the yarn around hook thrice, and then go into the ring, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2, then through other 2, through other 2, and then through other 2. In this way, we are going to make treble crochet stitches 6 times. We have 5 now. Make the last one. Now we will make 5 chains again. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, and then chain 5. And we are going to make a slip stitch here. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, and then chain 5. I have made one treble crochet stitch. In this way, make 5 more. So I have made 6 stitches. Now make chain 1, chain 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and make a slip stitch into this magic ring. Now pull this yarn, and you can see this bow. Pull this yarn as well. We need yarn to wrap around this bow as well. So we need pretty long yarn tail. Now cut this yarn and remove it. You can see this beautiful bow. Now we will just wrap this yarn around the center of this bow a few times. Now make a knot of these 2 yarn strands. So this is our beautiful bow. I hope you guys like this idea of using leftover yarn. You can use this bow in many crochet projects, especially baby projects. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.